In this video, we will show you how to replace your transmission mount on this Dodge Ram. This will be mounted under the vehicle, attached to the transmission. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. To replace the transmission mount, we're going to make our way all the way back to the transfer case. Apply some pressure on this area, being extremely careful not to damage anything. I'll just use a jack with a piece of wood so I don't damage the aluminum. Now that I have a little bit of pressure here, let's make our way over towards the transmission. Underneath the rear of the transmission, where it connects to the transfer case, is where you're going to find a large cross member. On this cross member, you'll find that you have two studs that come down from your transmission mount, and they're held in place with a 15mm nut. Remove the pair. Let's continue on by raising the transmission and transfer case just enough that we can gain access to our last two mounting bolts. With that raised up, we'll be paying attention to the two 15mm headed mounting bolts that go through the transmission mount up through the transmission bracket. Now we can grab hold of that mount, we'll give it a wiggle, tilt it towards the rear, and then remove it towards the front. And there it is, friends. All right, let's get ready for the installation of our transmission mount. We'll take this and put it back in place. Go directly above that cross member. We'll align the studs with their corresponding slots along the bottom. And now we should be able to roll that into the proper placement. With this in place, let's continue on with our 15mm bolts. Before you install any of the mounting hardware, it's a good idea to use some thread locker. Once they're started, go ahead and snug them up and then torque them to 45 foot-pounds. We'll remove the support. Now we can start on each of those 15mm nuts. We'll bottom them out and then torque these to 40 foot-pounds. Okay friends, we fully installed our transmission mount. At this point, climb out from underneath your vehicle and take it for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.